Hey YouTubers, what's up? Red Crimson 102 here once again. I know I'm late. Callisto Protocol. This is the Callisto Protocol Day 1 edition. The game that a lot of reviewers was bashing and said it wasn't really all that. It's like a dark space. Oh, it's Dead Space. Excuse me, guys. This game is from the creators of Dead Space. So it's similar to Dead Space. I actually really like the graphics on this game from what I've seen. And instead of going off what reviewers were saying about this game, I'm more of a hands-on guy. So what I did was I watched a few gameplay footage to see what the game was all about. And after watching several gameplay footage, I came out to the conclusion that, hey, this game looks pretty dope. So anyway, I did get it day one, but I'm just now unboxing it. Reason being, I have so many games, so I decided to put this game on the back burner. But I just got a new PS5 SSD solid state drive installed, so I got all the space to install more games, so why not open up Callisto Protocol. Fear takes no prisoners. 45 gigabyte minimum, vibration function, trigger effects supported. Awesome. Let's get into the unboxing. Wow. I don't know why when I get PS5 games, the games are always out of the disc is always out of the case. It's flopping around. No in-game art. I am not surprised. And there's a code on the back. Retro weapon and prisoner skins contraband pack. And as you already know, the game always looks better when it's out of the plastic. Wow, that glare is crazy. Sorry for the glare, guys. That's it. The Callisto Protocol for PS5. You guys have this game. Tell me what you think about it. Is it better than Dead Space? Is Dead Space still a better game? And what do you think about the gameplay and the combat in this game? Red Crimson 2 out. If you're new to my channel, you guys already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my other videos. Happy New Year's.